Cesar and Celia Veloso have traveled a few times to Yogyakarta, where their daughter had been in detention since 2010. With her impending return less than 10 hours away, their joy overflows. But the feeling of relief is still incomplete, with Mary Jane not having a guaranteed get-out-of-jail card once she is back home. PTV's Bien Manalo tells us more.
Celia and Cesar Veloso are extremely happy about the impending return of their daughter, Mary Jane Veloso, from Indonesia. They said it was an early Christmas gift for their family.
Masayang-masaya po kami. Pinag-aandaan po namin talaga yung pagsalubong sa kanya. Baga doon na po kami sa airport matulog kaya hintay sa kanya. Sabik na po kami.
Masayang-masaya po. Makita na namin ang aming anak na para yakapin, halikan, talagang sabik na kami. Masayang-masaya po kami na makakauwi na ang aking anak.
They also thank the government for Mary Jane's homecoming, even the help and support they have received.
Magpapasalamat po ako sa ating gobyerno, lalong-lalo na po si Secretary Kakdak na nagbigay po sa amin ng pagpagawa ng bahay. Ito na po, pinaayos namin yung aming bahay. At lalong-lalo na po yung patutuluyan ni Mary Jane. Inayos po namin dahil siya po ang mismong nag-announce sa yung aking anak na ipagawa namin mabuti, pagandahin ang kanyang bahay.
Celia and Cesar also pleaded and begged the president to grant executive clemency to Mary Jane.
Yung pumapanawagan namin at saka yung hiling po namin sa ating Pangulo na sana pagdating ni Mary Jane dito sa Pilipinas, ibigyan na po niya yung clemency para po makasama naman namin si Mary Jane. Halos 15 taon po namin hindi nakasama si Mary Jane. Sana ipagkalob na po niya ngayon. Ibigyan na po niya regalo at pamasko sa aming pamilya.
According to the Department of Foreign Affairs, Veloso is scheduled to return to the country tomorrow at 6 a.m. This is the result of sustained discussions and acts of diplomacy between the two countries. On her expected return, the government has previously assured assistance for her and for her family as well. From PTV, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.